All right, let's do a video and chit chat a little bit about this Live Good thing, okay? First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if I can help you out anyway, get a hold of me, Cory at corydraper.com. You can also comment below any of the videos. Find me on Facebook, inbox me, okay? All right, now, if you're not in Live Good yet, and you're looking for just a basic review, okay, watch this video, okay? I'm going to just talk about some results, products. I don't know, let's just do it in about 5 to 10 minutes. I won't make this video too long, okay? Deal? All right, man, high five. Okay, I joined March of 2023. Right now it is March of 2025. So I have about 2 years into Live Good. All right, I got about 400 and I think 14 people directly signed up underneath me. I'm nearing 500 by summer here shortly. Okay, and everything I'm going to show you on this video is what I do to get people to sign up every week or every month. Okay, and the way that I do it is this way. Better to show you than to just chit chat about it, okay? All right, folks. First of all, what I like to do is use business cards and simple domains, okay? So what I mean by that, and let me just pop up a business card that I made with Vistaprint. Okay, they're pretty cheap, like 20 bucks. You get a big old box. Let me just drag the card that I made directly onto my screen, because sometimes just looking at it, it's a lot easier than me telling you to click here and go there and blah, blah, blah. Okay? All right, so in the middle of your screen, you can see that I bought joincory.com, and for free, GoDaddy forwards it to my Live Good capture page, which I'm going to show you. And you can see it if you just go ahead and click or enter in joincory.com. All right, my name is Cory. Join Cory. I bought joincorydraper.com. I bought corydraper.com, my name, and then I also bought Work with Cory. I just like to have my name in the domain so you kind of think about me a little bit and know that, hey, this is my business, and I want you to go watch short little videos, and what's my ultimate goal? I want you to join. That's why I like the word in my domain as well. Okay, these cards, like I said, about 20 bucks to your door. I like to round the corners. I like the red with the white jumping off. And I think you agree that if you look at this card, there's no doubt about it. You can see joincory.com quite easily. You can put your name or your email underneath. It's up to you on how much contact. All right, on my business cards, I have the back, just white. All right, if you can see. All right, here's my business cards, the front. All right, the back, I just keep them white. That way, in case I need to use my business card, like to clean my teeth or maybe write some notes on the back, but it's up to you. But if you meet me in person, or I'm at a party or a get-together, or someone asks me about Live Good, I really don't talk about it. And most people don't want to talk about it either. They just want to watch little short videos and see if they want to be a member. Okay, do you want to be an affiliate? Or just buy the products, okay? So anyway, joincory.com, I bought that for about 11 bucks at GoDaddy. The business card's about 20. To join Live Good, it's only 50 bucks minus a nickel. $40 one-time fee to be an affiliate, okay? And then $9.95 a month. We also have a special. If you have $99.95, you can get 12 months for the price of 10 and you're done. Okay, you're just done. And most people do that. I'd say probably 8 out of 10 people that join me, they just join for the year and then focus on how to market, how to be compelling or interesting, okay? How to email somebody, how to make a social media post or a video like you're watching now. But at the end of the day, you have to show people where they can look at the products, have some questions answered, and look at the pay plan. Those are the 3 things that are the top questions I get just about every day regarding Live Good. Okay, so if you do go to livegood.com, just like walmart.com or amazon.com, anybody can go to this website and order. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate. Check out all these products. You're not going to find them cheaper or better. We have the best ingredients. They're the most expensive, but we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale company. For 10 bucks, guys, a month, you are getting just a couple pennies above cost on any of these products. Okay, we have packages. We even have some shirts and hats and tank tops, and we're going into summer. But hey, if you're a little chilly, get a little hoodie there, maybe a little beanie cap. But it's up to you. Just go to the products tab. Okay, then I invite people to the FAQ, frequently asked question. Okay, see all these questions? Compensation, membership, account, shipping. All right, the website, the products. Go through every one of them. Okay? So you're not going to call me on the cell phone and ask or type something to me or email something to me or message something to me. Guys, all the questions are here. Look at how many. Okay? Now, very importantly is the pay plan. Now, at the bottom of your computer screen or cell phone, depending how big it is, if there's a smaller amount of room, it'll say pay plan. And if you have a bigger screen, it'll say affiliate pay plan. It's the same link. Click it. Go through the 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. But what I tell everybody, just scroll to the bottom, because I think the easiest thing to do is watch this video. Okay, it's produced by LiveGood. It does a great job talking about the compensation plan. Okay, watch it a couple times. And remember, we get paid on the membership side. You don't have to buy products with us. Okay, you don't have to buy $200 to $500 of products. You can't sell. You got to put them in your extra bedroom and give them to your friends for free. So you don't have to buy $300 of products to get a $300 commission. It's nonsense. That's why I'm not an MLM guy. I couldn't really do the Avons, the Herbalifes, the New Skins, Mary Kay, Home Interior, Tupperware. Are they still hanging in there? There's so many companies that are MLM structured that you have to buy products that are jacked up way high. And obviously that extra money goes to your upline and the ownership of the company, and you're usually the worker bee. And if you're good at recruiting, like myself, I'm pretty good at recruiting and hanging on to my little chain around my neck, but I want everyone to make money. If you can duplicate what I do by keeping it fun and simple, you are going to sign people up to do the same. And we all take care of each other with training and showing people, hey, what tips? Do you have any gossip? What's working? How do I get people to sign up worldwide? Because we have over, 200 and something countries signed up. Pretty exciting, okay? We do $15, $20 million of product sales every 30 days right now. And that's based on wholesale pricing, not retail. Retail, take that 20 million and times it by 5. Okay, to do $100 million of sales in 2 years is insane. It's awesome. And to have almost 2 million people in just over 2 years is awesome. Okay, there's no other company online, especially similar to our structure, that is signing up right around 60,000 people per month. Okay, like I said, we have almost 2 million people, guys. And that's Australia right above there to, let's say, move on over to Africa. Of course, here in the United States, Mexico, Canada, the UK, France. Oh my gosh, there's countries in my downline I've never even heard of. All right, like Tanzania. That sounds cool, right? Okay, so what do? You want to do your research. And I recommend you go to joincory.com first. Okay, so let me show you my card just one last time. All right, there we go. Now, when you go to joincory.com, I want you to watch the little video, okay? So let me just type in joincory.com. You're going to have this exact same website, and all you do is watch this little YouTube video. It tells you everything about LiveGood, from being an affiliate, the products, and where we're going. It's all produced by LiveGood, hosted by our host and CEO, Ben Glinsky. He does all the work, so you don't have to do a video like I'm doing. We have a lot of videos in our back office that you can use. Put them on YouTube. Send people a message like, hey, there's an opportunity. Check this out. And in my case, I just say go to joincory.com. If you want more information, put your name and email and hit this reserve my position now. And if you want to join, go ahead. Same thing. Name, email, reserve my position. And then what do? You just open up that email, follow the instructions. You're going to go to a page where you can pay either $49.95 to join LiveGood, or you can do the whole year, which is $139.95. That includes a year of being an affiliate. Next year, worry about the payment. And then the $40 is a one-time fee. That is all you do to be an affiliate. Okay? $9.95 a month to be a member. Buy the products and check them out. And remember, you have 3 months, 90 days. That's a lot of time, guys, to do whatever you'd like with those products. Even if the container is empty, send it back to Jupiter, Florida, get a full refund. We hardly have any refunds. No one's going to buy our products and dump them out and send them right back right away, because if you do enjoy the products, you're going to want to buy them again and again. That's why we have such a bold 90-day, 3-month guarantee. Proof is in the pudding. Okay, do the best you can to try the products out and do them regularly. Most of the other opportunities that might be, we're in the same category. The products are so expensive that you can only afford to do the business 2 or 3 months. And if you're not making money, then you quit. Well, the trick to protein and healthy things is you got to do it every month. You just don't like take miracle pills for a month and all of a sudden you're just sexy and hot. All right, maybe. I don't know. But I've always heard that you want to every month do the magnesium, do the protein, do everything that makes you feel good that we sell. But you do it month after month after month because you can afford the products. And that's how I became a member of LiveGood. I was buying Super Reds and Super Greens. Okay? I love them. They make me feel good. I'm going to buy them regardless if I'm an affiliate or not. And since they're affordable, every month I can buy those darn things. And there's no automatic pay. You don't have to be forced to buy the products. If you like them, great. If you don't want to buy them for a couple months, then don't. Once you're an affiliate, that $40 fee, guys, you're an affiliate for life. Unless you call up LiveGood and say, cancel my entire account for whatever reason. Remember, when you pay that $40 next year, you're not paying those 40 little bucks again. Okay, relax. $40 one and done. $10 a month, $9.95. Okay, this is a very affordable business. That's why we have a couple million people worldwide, even Philippines and other countries that you don't really equate this type of business. All right, I have people in South Korea, of course. I'm even in Pakistan, all over India, China, Japan, Asian territories kicking butt. Even Africa, awesome guys, just kicking it. All right, so do the review. Please go to joincory.com, enter your name and get more information. And then go to the website and just check out, like I said, the products, the FAQ, and definitely the pay plan or affiliate pay plan link. You guys will figure it out, okay? And in 15 to 20 minutes, you can see if LiveGood is for you or not. And if you don't want to be an affiliate, don't worry about it. Just be a member and enjoy the products. All right? Tell a friend and a friend and a friend. That's what I have done. I have people that sign up with me, and I have no idea how they found me. It could be on a YouTube video. Maybe it was an email to somebody, and they told their friend, and their grandma told the giraffe in the backyard that yelled over to, who knows, maybe that lady across the street watering her garden. Okay, but this is a very explosive business. It's always in fashion. It's always cool to be in shape, and it's always cool to make money at home. Okay, work whatever hours you want. If you have a couple hours a day just to invite people to your link, in my case, joincory.com, I recommend doing that. Keep it simple. Let all these other videos do all the heavy lifting. Please don't think you even have to do a video like I'm doing now. It does give you an advantage if you do. Not going to bullpoop you. If you like to do video, great. You get to see the person talk and how they act. You can go to their Facebook page or YouTube channel and see what their other interests and hobbies are. Are they real? The more real I am and you can see all the other stuff I do besides LiveGood, it gives me just more credibility. All right, I put in the time and the effort. I have over 3,700 videos relating to LiveGood. Every day, I do the best I can to make at least 1 or 2 videos similar to this, talking about the products, the opportunity, or if I just want a 2-minute video and say, guys, check out joincory.com. Let me know what you think. All right. Thanks for your time. That's it. Okay. All right. Well, that's it. I'm going to wrap up this short little video, and I appreciate your time big time. Cory at CoryDraper.com. And if you don't mind, I always love to show my little business card. All right. Check that out. Okay. Please go click the joincory.com, enter your name and email, watch that video. It's well done. Then make a decision. And then get a hold of me if you have any other questions. And let's kick some butt this summer. Get healthy and make some of this. All right. It's always good. Okay, guys. Thanks for the last 14 minutes. I try to do it in 10, but man, I could talk a good half hour about LiveGood. Okay. Take care, guys. Thanks again for watching my videos. Bye.